In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar in Google Workspace. First, open your Google Workspace admin console or your account home, then look to the upper right corner for the grid icon made of 9 dots. That's the app launcher. Click it to reveal your Google Apps and select Calendar. This takes you straight into Google Calendar so you can start organizing your schedule. On the left panel, you'll see a mini calendar that shows the current month with today's date highlighted. Just below, you'll find options for booking pages, also called appointment schedules and your own calendars. This area helps you quickly jump to different dates and toggle calendars on or off so you can focus on exactly what matters. To create something new, click a date directly on the main calendar view. You can choose a specific time slot or switch views if you prefer day, week, or month. A creation card will open so you can set everything up without leaving the page. Start by typing a clear, descriptive title. This helps you and others immediately recognize what the entry is about when scanning your schedule. Next, choose the type. Select event for meetings or general calendar items. Pick appointment schedule if you want people to book time with you from a public page. Choose task for personal to-dos that you want to track on your calendar. Or pick working location to set where you'll be working that day. Selecting the right category ensures calendar behaves the way you expect. Set the start and end time by clicking the time fields. If your entry spans multiple hours or days, adjust the end time or date accordingly. If this is something that repeats, use the repeat option to choose does not repeat, daily, weekly, or a custom pattern. This is especially useful for recurring stand-ups, weekly check-ins, or monthly deadlines. If you're creating a task, add a deadline date so you can see exactly when it's due. For events, make sure the end date and time reflect the full duration. In the description box, add context such as an agenda, goals, or notes you'll need later. Clear descriptions reduce back and forth and make it easier to prepare. Before finishing, confirm you've selected the correct type: event, task, appointment schedule, or working location, so your entry behaves the way you intend. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new item appears on the calendar, and you can reopen it anytime to edit details, adjust timing, or change the repeat settings. That's it. You've opened Calendar, understood the left panel, created a titled entry, chosen the right category, set time and repeat options, added a deadline or description, and saved it. Now you're ready to manage your schedule confidently in Google Workspace.